Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to Acadiana Weather Today. It's Tuesday, May the 7th. This is a short morning weather chat on the upcoming conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sky cam. It is a warm and muggy one out here, but we are seeing the clouds moving fairly briskly, and therefore we're going to be seeing some of those winds working their way down to the surface. So I do expect some nice breezes, even though temperatures are going to be quite warm. As far as the national picture, we've got a cold front back to the west. We're going to see a cold front kind of swinging toward our area as we go into Friday, and that could drop our temperatures a few degrees for the early part of the weekend. Meanwhile, the upper pattern is showing a bit of a trough over the Dakotas and a little bit of a ridge of high pressure here along the Gulf Coast. And that's helped to keep our weather a little quieter than what we had last week. Showers and thunderstorms are still working their way across the mid-Mississippi Valley. That's all part of that severe weather event that happened overnight through Oklahoma and Kansas. At least 17 unofficial tornado reports and over 200 wind damage reports. We'll get the final count a little later in the day. 70s for most of Acadiana, low to mid 70s, and those heat index values have been running in the 80s because of all of the humidity. The low over the Dakotas is going to stay put for today. Here we've got some low-level moisture with those low clouds out there, but we've got some decent mid-level winds coming in from the west, and that's going to keep the mid part of the atmosphere dry and should keep our rain chances pretty low today. As far as the surface forecast, that frontal boundary starting to take shape back to our northwest. I think we're going to talk more about that here for the latter part of the week. Meanwhile, with the extra cloud cover, I still think temperatures will manage their way into the mid-80s. If we break those clouds a bit and get some sunshine, we may push into the upper 80s. But let's look ahead toward Friday. It's always a good thing to look toward the weekend. And this one's showing the temperature anomaly. So this shows whether temperatures are going to be above or below normal. And for the last couple of weeks, most of our temperatures have generally been above normal. But it looks like we might get to near or slightly below normal temperatures on Friday and Saturday, which would put our highs in the low 80s and nighttime temperatures back in the 60s. But it's going to be a muggy one today. Some sunshine, but a considerable amount of cloud cover. 85 your high, 74 tonight, 88 with partly cloudy skies tomorrow, and then up to 90 on Thursday. I think we'll see some showers and thunderstorms possible Thursday night with our cold front passing through, and then some slightly cooler temperatures as we head into the early part of the weekend. Well, I hope you like Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, make sure you like this video. Also subscribe to the channel, and please turn on those notifications. That way you know when the next weather forecast has been uploaded, or if we go live, if there's any severe weather threat. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker on this Tuesday morning. Have a great day. I'll see you on Wednesday.